Welcome guys to 30 Days of Learning Canva. In today's video, we will learn how to generate a QR code. So let's start. First, search for QR code generator from the Design Spotlight tab. Now, we will add our link for which we want to generate the QR code. For now, we will generate a QR code for our YouTube channel. Now, let's add this to our business card generated with AI in the previous video. Now, let's scan this QR code and check whether it works or not. So, the QR code works, and it has directly taken us to our YouTube channel homepage. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.